Now that our artwork is complete, it comes the fun part of understanding how our artwork fits together. Outside of the studio, we navigate how our artwork fits into greater art historical and contemporary conversation, and we also navigate how it fits in the artwork, selling and buying pieces. I know those can be quite big tasks, so we simplify it down to the fun sorting of how do our different individual pieces work together. Here we created a bodies of work section where you can visually see and sort your art based off of bodies of work and also find common threads or themes that can help group your pieces together to be put as a show, to be sold in a package, or to help explain your artistic journey and your artistic voice. So starting off, remember, we had to have marked this as available in the portfolio section or on the Kanban card at any point along its process. Now that it's here, we can play with the bodies of work tag. You can find the bodies of work tag here on this label, and you can directly change them here or by clicking in the Kanban board. We put examples of bodies of work, but please feel free to go in and edit them to be ones that fit more of your theme, your artistic practice. Remember, to do that, you click on a Kanban card. At the very top, you'll see bodies of work. And as you scroll down, you can type new ones, or you can edit existing ones. When you make new tags, it'll show up here as different columns for you to sort through. If you ever feel like one of these no longer fit, simply delete it and remove it. You can also look at these again in a gallery view or a table view if you ever get lost. But this is the easy workspace for you to have a digital and a portable way to look at your different pieces, see how they fit together, and also share this with other clients, friends, collaborators, and collectors to help them understand how your body of work and how your artistic voice comes together.